Hey folks, my name is Jan Kinsey. I'm with the Fairy and Human Relations Congress, and I want to let you know about some things that are coming up. So every third Saturday of the month, we have a workshop. August 16th, it's 10 to 11:30 a.m. West Coast time. It's on Zoom. It will be recorded. Sasquatch Shamanism, Spirit Helpers in the Middle World. With this one, we'll be doing shamanic journeys to have you introduced to a Sasquatch that is wanting to work with you. We'll address the elements of building strong relationships. What do they want from you? What do you want from them? So it's reciprocal. Why do you want to work with Sasquatch? What are their gifts? Yes, exciting. One thing I wanted to say about Fairy Congress is that when I first went to Fairy Congress, I actually came home with 3 dragons, and I had no intention about working with dragons or that even existed as a possibility. And I gathered all the people together that I had, their emails, and we started studying this more in depth. And a couple of years later, I had to learn about, like, how do you talk to dragons? How do you work with dragons? Why do you work with dragons? A couple of years later, Sasquatches showed up in my dreams, in my journeys, and we had to learn about Sasquatch. And a couple of years later, we had to learn about weather spirits. How do you work with the spirits of weather? How do you work with the elementals? Then we had the She showed up, the Fairy King, the Fairy Queen. We had to learn about them. There was really a school. There was an incredible wisdom that went through the Fairy Congress, that when we handled one instruction, if you will, a new one showed up. At one point, we had the dark deities started showing up. We had to learn about them. You know, how do you discern who's who? We had plants who showed up who wanted plant ceremonies and initiations because they are our elders. We had ancestral land spirits. We had a lot of things that came up in those 20 years that we've been doing Fairy Congress, or 25 years. And it's kind of time that we're teaching this because we have learned a lot. So August 16th, we're going to be doing Sasquatch. Then we've got the following month, we're going to be working with hybrid ancestors. The month after that, bioregional animism. We've got a workshop on crystals coming up, and then we're kind of at the end of the year. So all the information is below, all the links to sign up, all the links for more information. I hope you can join us. This is very exciting work. Thank you.